Do you think asparagus is boring? Not today. Today we're cooking not one, but two asparagus classics. We're going to follow the same classic preparation steps for both recipes. Rinse your asparagus and pat them dry. Snap off those tough woody ends. By peeler, we will give the lower half of each stalk a light shave. We're not peeling them bald, just a few passes to help with texture and even cooking. Now grab a pot, fill it with water, and bring it to a boil. Once the water's ready, drop in the asparagus and boil for exactly 1 minute. As soon as the minute's up, transfer them straight into a bowl of ice water. Now take the first half of the asparagus and give them a light drizzle of olive oil. Grab 1 spinning lemon and squeeze that fresh juice right over the asparagus. Don't be shy. Citrus is our secret weapon here. Now season with a bit of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a pinch of smoked paprika for that subtle depth. And that's it. Transfer the asparagus into your air fryer basket, but don't crowd them. Remember, space is flavor. Let them crisp, not steam. Now, for the best part, cheese. We're using freshly grated Grana Padano, but you can use whatever Parmesan-style cheese you love. Do you have your favorite? Drop it in the comments, and we will consider it in the next recipe. Sprinkle the cheese generously over the asparagus. Don't hold back. It's not just a topping, it's the flavor finale. Set your air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. If you like extra crunch on top, add another 2 to 3 minutes at the end. Go wild, no problem at all. And that's it. Look at those golden tips, melty cheese, and crispy edges. You can even hit them with one more sprinkle of cheese if you're feeling dangerous. We won't stop you. Alright, first one's done and looking delicious. But don't go anywhere. The next one's all about crunch. Start by pouring some panko breadcrumbs into a bowl. Add in freshly grated cheese. Then season with red pepper flakes and sweet paprika. Want to toss in your own secret spice mix? Go for it, and let us know what it is in the comments. Sharing is caring. Give it all a mix and set it aside. That's your flavor-packed coating. Now set up your breading station. 1 bowl with flour, 1 with a beaten egg, and the third with your panko mix. And now we start the ritual. Flour, egg, panko. Lightly press the crumbs so they stick. This part's oddly satisfying, but also messy. You've been warned. Once they're all coated and ready, transfer them to your air fryer basket. Again, spacing is key. Don't stack them like traffic in rush hour. Give them room to crisp up like proper snack royalty. Think of it like first-class seating. They deserve it. Set your air fryer to 200 degrees Celsius for 6 to 10 minutes, depending on how crispy you want them. Keep an eye on them toward the end, but they go from golden to oops pretty fast. Ding! They're ready! Crispy, cheesy, and begging for your favorite dipping sauce. 2 incredible asparagus recipes with totally different vibes. Let us know which one you're making first, or if you're going all in and doing both. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us your favorite way to cook asparagus.